School teaches you how to earn money, but never how to keep or grow it. That's why most people spend their lives working for every dollar while the rich make every dollar work for them. Today, we'll share 5 real money hacks wealthy people use, the kind that work in any economy, for anyone willing to apply them. And trust me, number 1 is the habit that keeps them rich, no matter what. Number 5. Build a money buffer. Most people live one broken car, one missed paycheck, or one medical bill away from disaster. They don't say it out loud, but they feel it. That constant fear. What if something goes wrong? And when it does, they grab credit cards, quick loans, or borrow from friends. Suddenly, they're not just broke, they're in debt, stuck with payments for months or even years. The wealthy don't live like that. They build a safety net, a money buffer that protects them when life hits hard. Even 1 month of expenses can turn panic into confidence. Most delay this thinking, I'll start when I earn more. But life doesn't wait. And emergencies hit harder if you're not ready. Without a buffer, you're always one step away from begging, borrowing, or saying yes to things you hate because you have no choice. Start now. Hide it where you can't touch it. This habit separates those who live in fear from those who sleep peacefully at night. Number 4. Say no to bad debt. Debt is the silent killer of wealth, the kind you take to buy things that lose value the moment you own them. Credit cards, quick loans, buy now, pay later offers, they look harmless, even helpful. But behind every easy payment is a trap. Bad debt gives instant pleasure. The car you can't afford, the phone you don't need, the vacation that lasts a week but takes a year to pay off. You trade tomorrow for today. The wealthy play a different game. They borrow only if the debt pays for itself. Property that earns rent, equipment that boosts income, investments where returns cover the cost, and more. They never borrow to look rich, only to get richer. Ask yourself, how much of your debt makes you money? If the answer is none, you're not borrowing, you're buying chains. Number 3, track and control every expense. Do you know where your money went last month? Most people don't. They think they do, until they check. Money leaks in tiny, invisible ways. Coffee here, snacks there, subscriptions you forgot, rides you didn't need. Each feels small, but together they drain you. The poor spend without seeing. They blame low income when the real problem is no control. The wealthy are ruthless here. They track everything, not because they're cheap, but because they respect their money. Control creates growth. Start writing it down, app, spreadsheet, notebook, whatever. At first, it's annoying. Then you'll see the patterns and the waste. When you track every expense, 2 things happen. You stop spending on what doesn't matter. You feel powerful because you control your money, not the other way around. Number 2. Delay gratification. Why do most people stay broke? Because they can't wait. You see something you want, new shoes, a gadget, a night out, and your brain screams, buy it now. For a moment you feel good, then the feeling fades and the money is gone. The wealthy do the opposite. They wait. They ask, will I still want this in 30 days? Most of the time, the answer is no. Here's the trick. Before any non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours. 9 times out of 10, the urge disappears. The world is designed to make you act fast. Only today, last chance. It's a trap. Every pause before spending is money saved and control gained. Poor people let emotions spend for them. The wealthy let patience build their future. Number 1. Invest in knowledge, not in status. Poor people spend to look rich. The wealthy spend to get smarter. Most waste money on status, clothes, dinners, gadgets. to impress others for a moment. It feels good, but it changes nothing. The rich see money differently. They know every dollar can die in your hands or grow in your mind. They invest in books, courses, mentors, anything that makes them more valuable. Poor people call learning an expense. They'll drop $500 on a phone, but not $50 on a book. That's why they stay stuck. Knowledge compounds like money. Every skill becomes a tool you can use for life. Earning more, making better decisions, spotting opportunities others miss. Status fades. Clothes wear out. Phones get old. Knowledge keeps paying you back for life. Track like a CEO. Automate savings. Buy assets before upgrades. Delay before spending. Invest in skills. Most will watch and change nothing. A few will act. And in a year, they won't recognize their bank account. Which one will you start with today? Hey, if you watch this, you're already doing better. Stay with Up IQ and be progressive.